What is up, all you Audi RS lovers? Behind me, a 2023 Audi RS5 Sportback. This car looks reasonably spectacular, and it also sounds phenomenal as well because it's got our full exhaust system on here. It's got the OEM downpipes, then it has our front resonator delete section, it's got our unresonated mid section, and then of course our valved rear section. This car really sounds incredible now because freeing up those components in the mid section, but also utilizing the OEM downpipes, you get a nice OEM plus level of sound. If you had an RS4, let's say the B7 generation with that V8, having this car with this exhaust, you definitely don't feel shortchanged with the sound experience. We've got a great place to film today. We're gonna show you guys all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, gonna do launch control, flybys, some high-speed accelerations as well, and of course put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly what your RS5 is gonna sound like with this exhaust. This configuration fits both the coupe and the Sportback. This is a full system too. It goes all the way from the factory catalytic converters all the way back. The reason why we did this is because we know a lot of people, when they get this car, they do front resonator delete pipes, they do mid sections. We wanted to offer enthusiasts one solution that is the perfect choice for you. Let's hear some sound. Audi RS5 B9, this car has the full exhaust setup. Really has a nice unique V6 sound. A lot of pops and cracks, which is very fun. Now this exhaust configuration really helps add to the drama and the excitement of the new B9 generation of RS5. This car is kind of a numb feeling device, especially with the stock exhaust, but with this exhaust, because it has the free flow configuration of the mid pipe, including the resonator delete pipes, it's very dramatic and very enjoyable. A lot of V6s, they have like a raspy sound. This doesn't have that. It just sounds clean and smooth, and the overrun's fun as well. It's pretty aggressive inside here. I'm in the RS2 mode. We've got the valves open. With this system, as you can see in here, we are using the Valvetronic Designs controller. So if I click to quiet, you can hear the click as it closes the valve, which is nice. Go back to loud, which is fun. The car is real nice and quiet with the valves closed, which is great. Alright folks, that's it for the Audi RS5 sound demonstration. Hopefully you guys get a very good picture of what the car really sounds like in all situations. With this system, there really is no compromise. You get the full complete package, you get the really nice aggressive V6 sound, and there is no compromise. It's obviously a lot louder than stock. It really is the ultimate configuration. Excited to bring this exhaust system to the RS5 B9 platform. And of course, we're doing developments for the S4 and S5 B9 generation as well. We feel these 2.9 and 3 liter Audi V6s have so much sound potential, and we're here to make it happen. So check out the link below. You'll see the product linked. And if you want to have the best sounding RS5, it's one click away. Thanks so much for watching.
Can't stop.